All right, good morning, Louis Porcelino. Morning call, January 27th, and we're getting what we wished. We get what we wish, right? We want some volatility, you're going to get it. All right, let's take a look at the profile overnight. So it took, at the end of the day yesterday, I was looking for 54 and then 57 was what we're looking for. And overnight, we made this high at 20, 55. So we almost got there. And this morning, we've got some uh, retracement back to the levels that we started from yesterday. And take a look at some of those things that are out. Durable goods, Dow Jones falling 38 points over the past 2 minutes. EU calls for more Russia sanctions, don't have Greek consent. Red Book Mom, actually, let's see, 3.6 versus 3.5. S&P Shiller. Actual, all right. So we got some numbers that have been disappointing, and the instability in Europe. All right, important for us is the low that we put in so far is a tick off of yesterday's low, and I'm telling you, I think we got to fill these in, these single prints. But look at all this. We're gonna have to worry about the backfill today, and we're gonna have to worry about filling in single prints. Today's gonna be two-sided trade. I'm still bullish, but at the end of the day, we're gonna have what we call we're gonna have uh, a lot of volatility. Taking a look at the market right now, everybody's under the 5-minute pivot. Let's talk about. We're going to talk about first of all the value area. We got 2050 half, 2045 was a point of control, 2038 and a quarter. Here's these purple, the pink things for the single prints. All right, and then I've got areas of support, and you got your S1, S2, S3. We've already traded almost down to S2. All right. Uh, I think down here in 2012 and 2019, this is going to be a very supportive area. And also after the single prints are filled in, so I'm still bullish. I'm thinking we're just getting our volatility, and there's a lot of news-driven based volatility right now. New news. So remember the single print down to 219, and then we're going to have to fill this stuff back in today. So. Um, be very careful about getting stubborn on one side of the market. If I think the only way you could really err is trying to sell it down in the hole, because I think you're going to get some wicked rallies here today. Wicked rallies. Um, let's take a look at um, oil. Seems to be a non-event today, but let's take a look at gold. I mean, gold has been flying. Here is gold. All right, so let's take a look at the value area high for gold is 2093, low 2078, and then the point of control is I'm sorry, 1280, 1278, 1290. Yesterday's high was 2099.92, and then um, we already made a low today of 1272. So gold is flying around in a $20 range, and I think this all has to do to the instability, what's going on in the world. Gold is rallying. All right, we got oil down, um, and I think that if you're going to look at a market for trading, there's some real volatility in gold right now. Real volatility in gold. Um, I do have our oil charts here, but let's pull up oil. I still am negative. I'm still on. Here's that our daily uh, profile, and you can see the value area high keeps moving down, and the mode keeps moving down. So I think now we're in the shock value right now. Now they're just basically giving us a a steady dose of going down a little bit every day. Let me throw the bonds up here. Okay. I'm just going to give you a profile bond really quick. All right. So Bonds are trading back up at 150.18. Like I said, anytime the market's up in here, I think you have to sell it because there's profit taking up there. So take a look at that. And this is indicative of what's going on. If bonds keep rallying and the world is out there, with the flight to quality of the U.S., we don't have to raise the price of our bonds. We can actually keep lowering the price of the bonds, and the bondholders that are liquidating are banks. Hey, banks making a lot of money. These banks are going to be in a situation where they're going to be making well, let's call it like it is. Going to be making bank like they need help, right? All the big banks. They got the government helping us and helping them, and we don't get the benefit. All right. So back to the SPOOs. All right. Let's be careful today. Don't get trapped down in here. I think we're going to fill in this area down in here. We're going to get a two-sided trade. The key again, once again, can we get back up here inside value? Our bull bear zone is way up here at the top, 2054.75, 2054.75. So let's be careful, and I'll see you on Top Step Trader in a few minutes. Bye.